In this video, I'll show you how to take notes in Google Meet. There are two main ways to do this in Google Meet. Google says you can use the built-in Take Notes for Me feature, which creates meeting notes in Google Docs automatically, or you can take notes manually in a Google Doc while the meeting is running. The built-in feature requires an eligible Google Workspace subscription, and Google says it is available on supported accounts rather than for every Meet user by default. First, let's look at the built-in option. Join your Google Meet meeting on a computer. During the meeting, look for the Take Notes for Me feature in Meet and start it. Google says this feature can automatically capture meeting notes in a Google Doc, help you catch up during the meeting with summary so far, and after the meeting, the organizer gets an email with a link to the recap. Google also says the recap link is available in the calendar event. This is the easiest option when you want notes created, for you without typing everything yourself. It works especially well for longer meetings where you want a structured summary afterward. Google also notes that this feature supports one language at a time, and multiple languages spoken in the same meeting are not currently supported. Now let's talk about the manual method, because that works for more people. Open a Google Doc on your computer before or during the meeting. Google says you can add meeting notes to a Google Calendar event from Google Docs by typing the @ symbol in a document and choosing Meeting Notes, then selecting the event. That creates a notes layout with the event details pre-filled, which makes it easier to organize your notes while the meeting is happening. Another helpful option is to use Google Meet together with Google Docs. Google says on a computer with Chrome or Edge, you can join a Google Meet video meeting from Docs, Sheets, or Slides by opening the file and using the Meet button, then choosing Bring the call here. This is useful because it lets you keep your notes document and your meeting closely connected while you work. So in practice, the best workflow is simple. If your account includes Take Notes for Me, start that feature in Meet and let Google create the recap for you. If not, open a Google Doc, add the meeting notes template with that meeting notes, and type your notes manually while the meeting is running. That way, you still get organized notes even without the AI feature. That's how to take notes in Google Meet. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.